Hello, welcome to English Listening Journey. My name is Matthew. Today, I will tell you a simple story about Lisa and her flower garden. Listen carefully, enjoy the story, and let's start. Lisa is 35 years old. She lives in a small village. The village is very quiet, with many trees and green fields. Lisa loves nature, and her favorite thing in nature is flowers. She loves their colors, their smells, and how they make her happy. When Lisa was a little girl, she always dreamed of having a big flower garden. She wanted to grow many different flowers, like roses, tulips, daisies, and sunflowers. Lisa worked very hard to make her dream come true. One day, she started her garden. She bought seeds and small plants from the market. She planted them in the soil behind her house. It was not easy. The soil was hard, and the weather was sometimes too hot or too cold. But Lisa did not give up. She worked every day in her garden. Slowly, her flowers began to grow. Now, her garden is full of colors: red, yellow, pink, and white. It is very beautiful, and it makes Lisa feel proud. Every day, Lisa spends time in her garden. She wakes up early in the morning, before the sun gets too hot. She puts on her gardening gloves and picks up her watering can. The first thing she does is water her flowers. She makes sure every plant gets enough water. After watering, Lisa checks the soil. Sometimes, weeds grow around the flowers. Weeds are small plants that can hurt the flowers. Lisa pulls out the weeds carefully, so her flowers stay healthy. Lisa loves to talk to her flowers. She says, "Hello, my roses. You are so beautiful today," or, "Good morning, sunflowers. You look so bright and happy." Lisa believes that talking to her flowers helps them grow. She also feels very happy when she is in her garden. The birds sing in the trees, and the air smells fresh and sweet. It is her favorite time of the day. One sunny afternoon, Lisa decided to invite her friends to visit her garden. She wanted to share her hard work and the beauty of her flowers. Her friends were very excited. They came to Lisa's house, and she welcomed them with a big smile. When her friends walked into the garden, they were amazed. They saw roses in bright red and pink, tall sunflowers that looked like the sun, and tiny daisies with white petals. The air was full of the sweet smell of flowers. One of Lisa's friends said, "Wow, Lisa. Your garden is so beautiful. How do you do it?" Lisa smiled and said, "It is not magic. I take care of my flowers every day. I give them water, I pull out the weeds, and I give them love." Another friend said, "You are like an artist, Lisa. Your flowers are your paintings." Lisa laughed and said, "Thank you. My garden is my special place. It makes me very happy." When her friends left, Lisa sat in her garden and thought about her flowers. She felt proud of her hard work. Her garden was not just a place with flowers. It was a place of love, care, and happiness. Lisa learned something important from her flowers. Flowers need water, sunlight, and care to grow. People are like flowers. We all need love, kindness, and attention to be happy and strong. Lisa's garden was more than just a dream. It became a place where she could relax, think, and share joy with others. And every time she looked at her flowers, she smiled. One morning, Lisa went to her garden like she always did. She carried her watering can and her small tools. But today felt a little different. As she walked to her roses, she noticed something unusual. There was a small bird sitting on one of the branches of her rose bush. The bird was very tiny, with bright blue and yellow feathers. It looked at Lisa but did not fly away. Lisa smiled and spoke softly, "Hello, little bird. Are you visiting my garden today?" The bird chirped quietly, as if it was answering her. Lisa continued her work, but she kept an eye on the bird. After a while, she noticed that the bird had made a nest in one of her bushes. Inside the nest, there were 3 small eggs, each the size of a marble. Lisa felt very excited. "This is so special," she thought. "The bird feels safe here. My garden is not only for flowers but also for little creatures." From that day, Lisa was even more careful in her garden. She watered her flowers gently so she wouldn't disturb the bird. She also told her friends about her new visitor. One friend said, "Lisa, this is a good sign. Your garden is full of life, and now it's a home for the bird and her family." Every morning, Lisa checked the nest. One day, she saw something amazing. The eggs had hatched. 3 tiny baby birds were in the nest, opening their mouths and chirping loudly. Lisa felt very happy. She thought, "This is the best gift my garden has given me." Thank you for listening to Lisa's story. Did you like it? What is your favorite flower? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Listening Journey. See you in the next story. Bye-bye.